How to activate a single line on Verizon. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. The very first thing you want to do is to power off the iPhone or your device. Once you have powered off, simply enter Verizon Prepaid SIM card. Once you have entered, turn your phone back on. Once done, head over to the settings of your device and then move into Cellular. In this page, you'll be able to see if the Verizon Prepaid SIM card is activated or not. At the very top, right beside the Wi-Fi signal, you will be able to see the single line if the SIM card has been activated. Or else, you can move into your application Verizon. Once you're in this page, enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Over there, you will be able to activate. Once you have completed all of the process, simply restart your device. Click on Restart. And then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.